Red button, short press it to switch to the full screen display of the front camera. Short press red button again to switch to split screen display of front and rear camera. Blue button, short press it to switch to the full screen display of the right camera. Double-click any button on the remote control to lock and record the video. Short press the up button of host to switch between different display modes. Short press the down button can also switch display modes. OK button, short press it to pause recording. Long press it to enter menu page. Short press down button to choose video playback mode. You can short the down button to find the video you want. Long press the up button to switch video files saved by different cameras. Long press the OK button to return to the menu page. Short press down button to choose setting mode. Short press OK button to enter. Short press the down button to select the corresponding function to set, with multiple function settings available. Long press the OK button to return to the menu page. Short press down button to choose language selection mode, multiple languages available. Search for Wi-Fi camera on Google Play or App Store to download and install it. Enter the Wi-Fi setting interface of the phone. Find the corresponding Wi-Fi name starting with Motad or Visto. Enter the number to connect to Wi-Fi. Then open the app, click Enter Recorder. You can see the real-time image. Click the button in the upper right corner to switch between the image of different cameras. When the phone is connected to Wi-Fi, the remote control cannot be operated. Click on LAN to view the files in the memory card. Click the button in the upper left corner to switch between the video files of front and rear camera. Click the Edit button in the upper right corner to delete or download the video files. After downloading the video, you can go to the local page to play it or edit a video within 30 seconds to share with others. The settings page can set the loop video time, sound record, GST, reset camera, and other functions.